Video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find your data in the Google Sheets mobile app. So when you're trying to look for something within your data and you're using your Google Sheets app, here's how you're going to find it. So I have my example data right here. I have a lot, and it would be a task for me to look or find something manually by just scrolling up and down, especially with how big this data is. So what I'm going to do to find that data would be to tap on the ellipsis at the top right corner and go to Find and Replace. So if we tap on that, it will have a search bar at the top where you can put in your search key or your keyword. And for this one, I'm actually looking for a project name that's titled Titan Path. And there you have it. So I quickly found it by just typing my keyword up there, and right now it is highlighted within my data. So with the keyword that we just entered, it has automatically found it and it will quickly highlight it right there for us to see. So if I zoom in, there it is. It's called Titan Path. That is on my 93rd row under the project name column. There you have it. So if I wanted to replace that with something, I can go ahead and tap right here and put in what I'm going to replace it with. But I'm not really going to replace it with anything. I just wanted to see where it is within my data. So I quickly found it with that tool. Now, when you're trying to look for something, let's say you're not really sure what the second word is, or if you're trying to look at all the Titan project names in this data, I'm just going to remove the second word right here. And there you have it. You'll see that I have 3 results for this keyword. Now, these arrows pointing up and down will be my navigation tools for me to see where the other results are. So I'm going to tap on the arrow pointing up. There we go. And now it has led me to the second result. So that's 2 out of 3. So this one is named Titan Crest. And for the first result, again, I'm just going to tap on the arrow pointing up. And here we have it. So we have 3 results for the word Titan, or for the keyword Titan right here. So again, if we want to navigate through our results, we can just use our arrows pointing up and down. And if we go to the next one, there we have it. And the third one, here we go. So that's how you can quickly find or search for your data here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you want to learn more on how to use the Google Sheets mobile app, I have a full playlist to this, and I'll be leaving a card to it on the top right corner for you to check out. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should also definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.